Hey there fellows! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of video editing and unlocking the full potential of two incredible tools, where you can create, edit, and enhance. So, let's get started and unleash your creativity like never before, with no watermarks holding you back. First up, let's explore Canva, your ultimate creative playground. Canva boasts a user-friendly interface, perfect for beginners like you. With its extensive template library, you'll be able to create stunning videos that are perfectly tailored to your style and purpose. And the best part? You have complete creative control. Add text, music, filters, and effects to make your videos truly stand out from the crowd. Once your masterpiece is ready, sharing it with the world is a breeze. Canva allows you to effortlessly share your creations with just a few clicks. Now, let's shift our focus to Clipchamp, where artificial intelligence takes your creativity to new heights. Clipchamp's user-friendly interface makes editing a breeze, even if you're new to the game. Trim, merge, and enhance your videos effortlessly, and witness them transform into stunning works of art. Thanks to Clipchamp's intelligent features like scene detection and smart cropping, your videos will shine without the hassle of watermarks. But wait, there's more! Clipchamp also offers an amazing AI voiceover feature. Choose from various styles and add natural-sounding voiceovers to captivate your audience. Once your videos are perfected, it's time to share them with the world. Clipchamp provides easy export options, ensuring your videos look their absolute best. Share them on social media or embed them on your website without any hassle. With Canva and Clipchamp, you're empowered to create and share videos that truly reflect your unique vision. Remember, your creativity knows no limits. So, go ahead, create amazing content, and let your imagination soar. It's time to make your mark in the world of video editing. And don't forget to show us some love. Please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips and tutorials. Thank you for joining us today, and we can't wait to see the incredible videos you'll create with Canva and Clipchamp.